Hi guys, I'm back and I'm here to do a simple mod on Scarlett. I'm here to install a pair of hood struts because I don't know if most of you know, but the MX-5 ND came with a manual hood propping metal rod, and it's a little bit old school, but I got to see a pair of hood struts online on Amazon, and I decided to make an order for them, and that's what we're going to install today. I'm going to show you how to do it, guys. Watch on. Okay, we got these are the mounts that will be on the fender. It has instructions. These are the mounts that are on the hood and the shocks here. We're going to start the install process. Put it right here and right here. Okay, to remove the bolts here, we're going to use a wrench. Now we got the hood bolt removed, and we're going to install this one, which connects to the gas struts. There you go. You just slide it inside, slide the bolt inside, and apply a little bit of grease just to make sure that there's no rust that's going to happen. Okay. Supplier was kind enough to provide the cotton bud and some grease right here. I'm going to apply that just to make sure. There you go, all done. It's a matter of putting it back. I'm not going to tighten it up super tight yet because I want to make sure that the fitment is good. I'm going to remove this. Remove this. This is for the base. The base is right here. See, it has some marking already. Left fender. I'm just going to check the manual how it's oriented. It's a quick and easy install. Doesn't require too much elbow grease. So now that we have the base and the hood component up, we're gonna install the gas strut now. It's right here. Okay, so the gas part, this one, the thinner part goes here to the bottom, and you just click it in. With the lock removed, you can just see, click it in like that. And it's done. I just have to replace the lock. Replace the lock and make sure that it goes in. The lock comes in like this. Once that's in, just clip it back in place. So there you got it. Now, for this one, just have to remove the lock first. Okay, just make sure it won't fall off. There you go. I got the lock, and you can just this here. Pretty tough to do if you're just one guy. See, I managed to do it, and just put the lock in place. There you go, and lock it in place. There you have it. All you have to do now is just tighten the bolts. You just have to tighten the bolts now, and you got your first hood strut installed. Okay, as you can see, the hood dampers have been installed. These have been bolted tight. We have here the other side. There you go. And now my hood is fully being supported by hood struts. This is the left side. It's all good. Now let's see how it closes. I'm gonna close it. Let's see if it works. Works. It works. Now we're gonna open it. Let's take a look. Okay, now we're going to open the hood. Let's see how the dampers will work. Oh, very good. It just went up by itself. Show you another angle, guys. Close the hood. Close this. And open the hood. Lift it up a little bit and let the struts twist in. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Okay, guys, so there you have it. We have another Scarlett Miata mod, and it's a simple thing, like it's a couple of hood struts that makes it more convenient for me to put the hood up on Scarlett. And you know what, guys, it's a pretty easy install as long as you figure it out even without instructions. It's a straightforward process. Took me around 20 minutes to do the whole thing, including the figuring it out, but it's all good. Looks fine and all that. Now, I want to thank you for watching my channel, and if you can, please do hit that like button for this video, and you know, just if there's anything you want me to take up on Scarlett, if there's any mod that you want to see installed and stuff like that, please hit me up in the comments below, and I look forward to making more Scarlett Miata videos for you guys. Anyway, that's all for today. Bye-bye.